So welcome back. Today in this video, we'll be seeing the technique that is golden ratio eyebrow technique. This is really a great technique, and we'll be here learning how to clearly do this technique and what is its advantage.
तो जैसे आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे जो आईब्रो है बहुत थिन आईब्रो है और देखा जाए तो एंड जो है काफ़ी शॉर्ट में है। मतलब यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे हेयर ग्रोथ भी नहीं है और काफ़ी कम ग्रोथ है। तो सबसे पहले हम ये दिखाएंगे कि इसे कैसे प्रॉपर शेप में दिया जा सकता है।
So here we are seeing that there is really a short length eyebrow and its end is even vanished. So here we will be seeing how to cover this eyebrow and how to shape this eyebrow first. So here we have taken eyebrow lash spoolie brush to figure out the eyebrows.
तो सबसे पहले हम जो मस्कारा और आईब्रो को शेप करने के लिए होता है वो ब्रश लिया है और उससे हम एक प्रॉपर शेप दे रहे हैं।
So here we are giving a proper shape to eyebrow using brow and lash brush. So the next brush which we are using is a small doe foot eyebrow brush.
ये आप देख सकते हैं ये हल्का सा स्लाइन कट में है। ये देखिए, आई थिंक आपको क्लियर दिख रहा हो।
As you can see that clearly, there is a little slant in this brush and this is its advantage. So here we'll be seeing what is its advantage and how to use this brush.
अब प्रॉपर आईब्रो की शेप के लिए हमें ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि आईब्रो कैसे होती हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम मेजर जो करेंगे, जो हमारी गोल्डन रेशो टेक्निक है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आईब्रो को जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है वो नोज के साइड से आना चाहिए, लाइक दिस। एंड जो ब्रिज पॉइंट है वो आपका इस तरीके से नोज ब्रिज को ही पॉइंट करते हुए, ये देखिए आप, ये जो पॉइंट है ये आपका आर्च के लिए के अकॉर्डिंग होगा और इसी के साथ जो हमारा एंड होगा वो इस तरीके से होगा। तो यहाँ पे हमारा एंड आना चाहिए आईब्रोज का।
So here we can see that how to measure the different linings in the eyebrow. So the starting line, that is the tip of the eyebrow, is started from the side of nose. As you can see that the next point is using the tip of nose, we can see that where the arch can be made. And the next and the last point is using the side tip of the nose, we can see that where is the ending point of eyebrow. So these three are really important measures of an eyebrow. And so here we go. So here we can see that the first point which I have told you for the measures of an eyebrow, here we are marking the first point. The next, from the same starting point, we have marked the another eyebrow even. And here you can see that now we are marking the arch of an eyebrow using the nose tip. See, these three measuring points are really important and one must know where it is and how to measure them. So here we are marking the last ending point of an eyebrow using the side nose tip. So now you can see that we are all done with the three measures and the points are even more clear. So using the brush again, the brow lash brush, we have again shaped out the eyebrows, and here we are using the Makeup Studio brow gel liner. So now
यहाँ पे हमने मेकअप स्टूडियो का ब्रो जेल लाइनर लिया है और वो ही हमारा एंगुलर ब्रश है। यहाँ पे जो एक्सेस है वो आपको हाथ पे लगाना है ताकि आपकी जो बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में प्रोडक्ट ना लग जाए आईब्रोज पे।
So the excess amount of product we have painted it on our hands so that a gradient look cannot be created.
जब भी आप आईब्रो को शेप करते हैं तो मिडिल से स्टार्ट कीजिए.
In order to shape an eyebrow, first of all you need to start it from the middle. So here we can see that how this eyebrow is being shaped using the middle point, and the arch point which we have studied to measure the eyebrows is being covered here.
मिडिल से आप आईब्रो शुरू करते हैं और उसे स्मच करते हुए आगे तक लेकर जाना है.
When we have started the eyebrow from the middle, we have to smudge it up till the end. So here we have come up almost with the ending point, and you can see the change between the eyebrows. See, this is really important to know up till here, to know what are the measures of an eyebrow and from where you need to start the shading or the shaping of an eyebrows.
अब जो हमारे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है उसमें हम बॉक्स क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे जो कि बहुत अननेचुरल लगता है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे शेडिंग इफेक्ट देंगे इस तरीके से.
So from the starting point, we will not be creating a box that is usually a bold effect, and so in place of it, we'll be making a shade type of technique to make it look more beautiful. So here we are done with the shading, and now we'll be taking a bit concealer to define our eyebrows.
यहाँ पे जो हमने कंसीलर लिया है वो है मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन का कंसीलर एंड डिफाइन.
So here we have used the Makeup Revolution concealer and define.
शेड नंबर C9.
And the shade number which we have used is C9.
ध्यान रखिए जब भी आप कंसीलर लेते हैं तो डायरेक्ट अप्लाई नहीं कीजिए, हल्का सा हाथ पे लगा लीजिए ताकि एक्सेस जो है वो सारा आपके हाथ पे आ जाए इस तरीके से. और फिर
See, in case of applying or doing the shade, in case of concealers, remember that after taking the product you mustn't blend it on our hands so that a gradient look cannot be created or a bold look cannot be created on our eyebrows. So here we can see that how the lining is made. So again, I am telling you the name of the concealer and define, that is Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define, shade number C9.
अब इसे हम ब्लेंडर की मदद से ब्लेंड करेंगे प्रॉपर.
Using the blender, we will blend the concealer properly. So here we can see that after blending the concealer, what a look has been created here. So in this video, we have seen that how to define the undefined eyebrows properly.
अब आप देख सकते हैं कि आईब्रोज में ज़रा से उसे काम करने से कितना इफेक्ट आता है, ये और ये.
So we can compare both of the eyebrows and see, doing a little work, we can have a great eyebrows, and this technique is really used, and this is really a short technique to get a nice and an efficient effect. So here we are there with the recap. What we have done in this video is, startingly we have seen the measures of eyebrow, and using the two brushes, that is brow lash brush and the linear brush, we have shaped our eyebrows, and then we have applied some shading effects and colored, that is Makeup Studio brow gel liner, and after that we have applied the concealer of Makeup Revolution.
तो आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है। अगर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कमेंट कीजिए।
So thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for our latest updates.
Yay!